powering the future of renewable energy. MK Battery presents the Deca Energy Storage Series. Engineered with American technology, our extensive portfolio of energy storage batteries sets the industry standard. We know modern energy demands uncompromised reliability. That's why our batteries are built for the toughest renewable applications, from solar and wind to commercial backup and grid stabilization. Deca Solar Genuine Gel Monoblock batteries feature an immobilized electrolyte, ensuring a long service life even in extreme environments. They are completely maintenance-free, with 10% more electrolyte than standard AGM for maximum durability. Meanwhile, our AGM monoblock batteries provide trusted, valve-regulated power, and our flooded batteries offer individual plate formation for consistent cell-to-cell charging. Every Deca battery undergoes over 250 quality control checks and is manufactured right here in the USA. Our forged terminals ensure zero leakage and absolute dependability. With MK Battery, you get advanced lithium and AGM technologies, scalable modular designs, and real-time monitoring for total control over your power. Dependable, durable, designed for tomorrow. MK Battery, powering the future. Visit mkbattery.com to connect with our specialists today. Purchase your MK Battery and Deca Energy Storage Systems today at Solar Cellz USA.